Hello, my name's Scott. In this video I'm going to cover all the basics to help you get started with your WordUp E-Cig.com DSE 801 high volt mod. The DSE 801 high volt mod is an electronic cigarette. Let me quickly demonstrate what it actually does. Now, at first glance it may appear that I'm smoking, but in fact I'm exhaling a vapour. There's no burning, no flame and no tobacco in this product. However, it does contain nicotine, and nicotine in its raw form is actually classed as a poison. Now, that all sounds very scary, but as long as you use it in a safe and responsible manner, you have nothing to worry about. Always keep it out of the reach of children. If you get it onto your hands, your skin in general, or in your mouth, don't panic, just simply rinse it off. Now let's get started and show you exactly what comes with a DSE 801 high volt mod. When you receive your WordUp E-Cig.com DSE 801 high volt mod, it's going to come in a presentation box like this. Open up the lid and inside you'll find a user manual which I advise you read before use. You'll then find one box which contains 5 tobacco flavoured nicotine cartridges and 2 DSE 801 high voltage atomizers. Take out these two sections and underneath you'll find one box which contains 2 DSE 801 6 volt batteries, one box which contains a mains power cable and one box which contains a mains charger. In addition, you'll also receive a 5ml bottle of kosher USP grade handmade e-liquid which has been manufactured in the USA and is available in a strength and flavour of your choice. Before we start to use the DSE 801 high volt mod, it's important that we fully charge a battery. I'm now going to show you how to charge the battery using the mains charger that is supplied. To charge a battery, you'll need the following items: the mains power cable, the mains charger, and of course the DSE 801 6 volt battery. The charger has a connection for the power cable, and on the other end a connection for the battery. On top is a charging status light. A red light indicates that the battery is charging, and a solid green light indicates that the battery is fully charged. Insert the power cable and carefully screw the battery into place. The charging status light will now turn red to indicate that the battery is charging, and once it goes to a solid green colour, it will indicate that the battery is fully charged. It will take around 2 hours to fully charge the battery, and a fully charged battery can last between 2 and 4 hours depending on usage. Now the battery is fully charged, we can begin to assemble the DSE 801 high volt mod. It's made up of 3 parts. You have the automatic 6 volt battery, the high voltage atomizer and the mouthpiece and cartridge. The cartridge is filled with polyester wool which has been soaked in e-liquid. The battery has a male connection, and on the other end you'll find an LED. This will light up automatically each time you inhale. The atomizer has a female connection, and if you look carefully on the inside you can see a steel wick. Underneath that steel wick is a heating coil. The steel wick soaks up e-liquid from the cartridge and feeds it to the heating coil. Once it reaches the heating coil, it then becomes vaporized. The battery and atomizer screw together, and the mouthpiece and cartridge slot into the top and click in place. Your DSE 801 high volt mod is now fully assembled and ready to be used. As mentioned previously in the video, your DSE 801 high volt mod will come with 5 tobacco flavoured nicotine cartridges. Each cartridge should give you around 100 good inhalations. Eventually the cartridge will run dry and will need to either be replaced with a fresh cartridge or refilled using e-liquid. I'm now going to show you how to refill a cartridge using e-liquid. To do this you will need the following items: a pair of tweezers or something similar, your cartridge, your bottle of e-liquid and some paper towel. Using the tweezers, remove the polyester wool from the cartridge. Now rinse this under a cold tap until eventually it goes completely white. Once it's gone completely white, place it onto your paper towel, fold over and pat it dry. Keep repeating this process until eventually no more fluid can be seen on the paper towel. Take your cartridge and using your e-liquid, fill the cartridge until it's around 3/4 of the way full. Carefully reinsert the polyester wool and using your tweezers push it down until it becomes level with the top of the cartridge. Take your e-liquid and add 1 drop at a time, allowing it to soak in. Keep repeating this process until eventually it will no longer soak into the polyester wool. Your cartridge is now full and ready to be used. So by now you should have a fully charged battery and a fully assembled DSE 801 high volt mod. The key to getting good vapour is to take long controlled inhales. The longer you inhale for, the more vapour you'll produce. Let me demonstrate. Also, try not to keep the vapour held inside your lungs for too long. The longer you hold it in for, the less vapour you'll get on the exhale. Nicotine gets absorbed by the body almost immediately. You therefore gain no advantage, but hold it inside your lungs for more than 1 or 2 seconds. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please contact the E-Cig.com customer support team. Thank you for watching and goodbye.